Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi 11T Pro from the European distribution, and I will show you all the box accessories. So right here we can find the SIM tool. When you open it, we get warranty card, quick guide, and also safety information. Also we can find here the flexible case. I just put on the phone, and by the way, this bumper covers our camera set and the same for the front. So when you put your phone on the flat surface, you cannot scratch screen or cameras. That's the good point, definitely. Let's put it back. Inside we can also find 120 watt charger. It's honestly heavy when you compare to other charger bricks. And we can find USB-C cable right here in this place. And that's all. We cannot find here headphones or some kind of the jack 3.5mm adapter. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.